Welcome guys. Hope you're having an excellent day today. So our warm-up here, we are graphing the equation, okay? So we're doing this in preparation of taking our graph and going back to our equation, which you will learn with Mr. Vorwaller today. So take a look at this. Our first one we graph by having our y-intercept at -4. Draw my y-intercept. My graph is 3, so I make that a fraction, which means I'm going up 3 and to the right 1 to get to my next point. So up 3 to the right 1, up 3 to the right 1. I just keep doing this as long as I can. There's my line, and we are good to go on that one. Okay, so what you probably need to notice here is my y-intercept is on the y-axis. It's right there without that same y value, without the x. My slope is how I go from one point to the next, which is right here, okay, and it's with the x. So I use that same concept when I create equation from a graph, okay. All right, the other one, same idea. So +3 this time, so on the y-axis, +3. Okay, then my slope is -3/2, or I can think of it as 3/2. Doesn't matter, because if I do the first, we're down and to the right. So I'd go down 3 to the right 2, down 3 to the right 2, down 3 to the right 2. If I did this one, I'd be up and to the left. So I'd go up 3 to the left 2, and I get that same pattern, okay? Whoa, and that was not a very good drawn one. That's better, okay? Again, when I'm looking at things, my y-intercept is that same number. So when I have my y-intercept, I'm going to put it right there in that slope-intercept form. And when my graph goes, it's going down, so it's definitely negative, but I just see from one point to the next how far down it's going. That becomes my slope, which goes right there for the m. All right, but you guys will practice this, learn more, do all this great stuff, okay? So be ready to go backwards from a graph to an equation.